Today's project is this spare bedroom. It's screaming for a makeover. The walls, they're bare, they're boring, they need some love. So the first step, as is any project, is the prep. It's everyone's most hated step, but it is the most critical to make sure you get the most out of your paint project. The next thing we're going to do in this space is we're going to create a half wall. Yes, they're on trend. Yes, you're seeing it a lot, especially from us. But this allows a little bit of depth and colour to come into a space without it overpowering. Unless you're into colour drenching and you want that look, some people don't. Some people are dabbling their toes into colour, coming from a white room into colour. Sometimes that can be quite daunting. So this is a nice alternative to balance that out. So we're using a colour by Dulux called Beige Royal, and we're going to take that halfway up the wall. So what we'll need to do is paint the white on the top half down to the bottom half. Once that's dry, we will come in with our tape. And bleed seal. And then paint our beige royal colour on the bottom half. The other thing we're going to do in this space as well is we're going to take that beige royal colour down to our architrave, our skirting boards, and to the back of the bedroom door as well. And that's going to provide a lovely continuation of the colour into the space.